Let's BIM together Revit tip number 15. Delete all views, sheets, schedules, etc. except selection. Now we'll be doing this with a plugin that I made called DAVSSEES. Just an acronym. It stands for exactly what it does, which is delete all views, sheets, schedules, etc. except selection. And you can find it on the Autodesk App Store. It's completely free. To get to it, just go to letsbimtogether.com. and then click the App Store icon, and it'll take you to my App Store page. Now, right now, it's not up here. However, when this video will be released on YouTube, there'll be a fourth app here, and it will look like that. While you're also on my website, I started a GitHub, which you can check out. And on the GitHub, right here, it has some of the tools that I made. So I have the view bookmarks. You could see DAVSSEES here too, and you could find the source code if you want to use some of it as an examples. So that said, let's just get to it. So let's go to Revit. Let's go to the Add-ins tab. And then under AG DAVSSEES panel, click the button. And here we have that. So works very simple. It does exactly what it says it will do. Here we see a list of every single view type in Revit, including sheets. And whatever we check will not be deleted out of the model. So let's say I have this 3D view open. Let's say I want to delete all the sheets, everything out of this model. So if I expand my project browser, right, I have two sheets here. I have some schedules. Let's go to DAVSSEES. We're just going to select the 3D view here. And then we're going to do delete all except checked items. So click that. So now it tells you it successfully deleted 41 items. Gives you a list of everything deleted. We could see in the project browser it's gone. You could select this, copy and paste. You can also save it to the desktop. So then when you go to your desktop here, it's the exact same log that you saw in the other window. So let's just go back to Revit really quick. We'll undo that. Here's our sheets are back. There's our schedules. Everything's here. So then let's just do, let's say we want to delete everything out of this model except for floor plan. So let's just type in plan so we can filter. You see we have area plan, ceiling plan. So maybe let's be more specific. Let's type in floor plan. And then we'll just do check all. Then we're going to click this button. Now we have two logs. One is successfully deleted here, and the other one here, it says it failed to delete items. Now our 3D view is open and Revit does not let you delete the 3D view. So therefore it just left it here. So we're just going to close these out. And as we expand the floor plans, we can see our floor plans are here. And the sheet that we had with a floor plan we clicked is here as well. So pretty straightforward. If you want to use this to send it out to somebody, another thing you could do is on top of that, after this, it might be helpful to purge if that's your intent. So then just do purge unused, press OK. And one thing about purge unused, when you purge the first set of items, there's more purgeable items that become. So now that we purged it once, there's still 110 items left to purge. So let's do it again. Now it's 19. And now it's 0. Basically now the model is just whatever you see in the 3D plus all of our floor plan views, 3D, and one floor plan sheet. Maybe this might be helpful for some of you. I made it just because it was for me one time. Again, you can find it on letsbimtogether.com, on GitHub, and the Autodesk App Store. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next Revit tip.